The LA Innocence Project does work to exonerate wrongly convicted and incarcerated people through DNA testing and other scientific advances. KTVU's Jesse Gary has the story.
For nearly 2 decades, Scott Peterson has maintained he did not kill his pregnant wife.
That's correct, Your Honor. I'm innocent.
Thursday, attorneys with the Los Angeles Innocence Project in a San Mateo court filing say Peterson's constitutional rights may have been violated during his initial trial and that his case needs a second look.
Are you surprised that they're taking this move?
There are many people who believe that Scott Peterson is innocent, and for the Innocence Project to step up and say, we're going to do a wholesale review of this case is a huge win for the Peterson defense team.
Scott Peterson was charged in 2003 with the 2002 disappearance and murder of his wife, Lacey, and their unborn son, Connor. With evidence mounting against him, Peterson sat down with former KTVU reporter Ted Rowlands, pleading his case to the public.
And now we can really focus on what we need to be doing, which is a missing part of our family. 2 people that should be here with our families.
2 decades ago, Stanislaus County prosecutors said Peterson killed Lacey at their Modesto home. He then dumped her body in San Francisco Bay. Her remains were found in 2003 in the waters near Point Richmond, an area where Scott said he had gone fishing. He was convicted in 2004 of 1 count of first-degree murder for her death and 1 count of second-degree murder for the death of their unborn child, Connor. All the while, Peterson maintained someone else was responsible.
It's my objective by doing these media interviews to get people to start looking for her again. And I'm not going to waste the time defending myself. I don't really care what those people out there think. When people accuse me of some involvement, and I had nothing to do with her disappearance, but people still accuse me of it.
In a statement to Fox 2, his current defense lawyer says, "We are very excited that the incredibly talented attorneys at the LA Innocence Project are lending their expertise to help us prove Scott's innocence."
If there's information that wasn't provided to the defense that could have affected Scott Peterson's right to a fair trial, they're going to bring this motion to get him a new trial. This may not change the result of the case, but at the same time, the public also wants to be assured that the jurors got this right.
LA Innocence Project attorneys will pore over every piece of evidence and even use current DNA technology to test some evidence in their search for answers. The process could take months or even years. In Redwood City, Jesse Gary, KTVU Fox 2 News.